Hi, I'm Mia Sin, the registered dietitian behind nutritionbymia.com. Do you find that you can't live without some spice in your life? Then you will love this video full of spicy jalapeno recipes. Today I'm breaking down how to make 3 healthy spicy recipes featuring one of my favorite ingredients to turn up the heat, spicy jalapeno jerky sticks.
These beef and turkey sticks by Chomps are made with real jalapeno peppers and will add an extra kick to your spicy dish. Their grass-fed and finished beef and free-range, antibiotic-free turkey are raised on open pastures their entire lives as nature intended, resulting in a delicious, high-quality product.
And it doesn't matter where you are on the spice spectrum, I'll show you how to make these meals hot, hotter, and hottest so that you'll be able to dial the spiciness of each recipe up or down. So let's get started with the most important meal of the day, breakfast.
These crispy, savory jalapeno waffles will have you rethinking your brunch menu this weekend and are made with just a handful of whole food ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 egg with a half cup of shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons of chives, 2 tablespoons of blanched almond flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of diced jalapeno, depending on how hot you like it, and 1 chopped up jalapeno turkey chomp stick for a boost of high quality protein from pasture-raised turkey. Chomps are free from gluten, added sugar, and artificial ingredients, which makes them a nutritious addition to this recipe. Add your batter to a preheated waffle iron and cook until set. Go savory instead of sweet for brunch this weekend with these waffles. Just serve with a fried egg and sliced avocado.
This next recipe you'll want to enjoy with everything, spicy jalapeno ranch. It's made with only a handful of ingredients and is the perfect condiment to have on hand to turn up the heat of your favorite dishes.
To a food processor, blend together a half cup of fresh cilantro, a half cup of sour cream, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 juiced lime, and 1 jalapeno seeded and chopped, but if you want to make it less spicy, simply use half. Blend until smooth. This dressing adds a spicy kick to just about everything. Roasted veggies, grilled proteins, and of course your favorite salad. This chopped salad is one of my favorite easy lunches, made with romaine, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, black beans, cilantro, and 1 chopped up jalapeno beef chomp stick, which is made with real jalapeno peppers for just the right amount of kick. Toss to combine, drizzle your dressing on top, and enjoy.
And last but not least, I have a recipe for full-on spice lovers who are not looking to hold back, baked jalapeno beef poppers.
For this recipe, you'll want to wear gloves to protect your hands from the oils and peppers. Slice a pound of peppers in half lengthwise and use a small spoon to scoop out the seeds and membranes. What many people may not realize is that the majority of the spice in jalapenos is found in the seeds and inner membranes. So if you want more heat, leave a little bit of the membrane intact. And if you're spice averse, you can simply use mini sweet bell peppers in their place in this recipe. Place your peppers cut side up on a lined baking sheet and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare the filling. Mix together 8 ounces of softened low-fat cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of diced chives, a half cup of shredded cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, and 1 chopped up jalapeno beef chomp stick. This is made with grass-fed and finished beef, so it adds 9 grams of high-quality complete protein per stick. Mix that together and stuff your peppers. Bake your peppers for about 20 minutes or until the peppers are soft and the cheese is bubbly. Top with chili flakes, chives, and extra chopped up jalapeno beef chomps. Besides enjoying these as an appetizer or snack, serve them at your next get-together and put your friends to the ultimate spice test.
I hope you enjoyed these recipes and give them a try yourself. For more easy recipes like this, be sure to subscribe to the Chomps channel. You can also visit chomps.com to browse all the flavors and varieties of meat snacks for your next spicy jalapeno recipe. See you next time.